Imagine waking up to a world where machines rule, a scenario that has long fascinated and terrified us in equal measure. From Hollywood blockbusters to dystopian novels, the theme of artificial intelligence, or AI, taking over the world has captured our imagination. But how close is this sci-fi fantasy to becoming reality? Today we delve into the truth behind AI, breaking myths, exploring its actual risks, examining safety measures, and understanding its current state. To start, let's define what artificial intelligence truly is. AI refers to machines or software programmed to mimic cognitive functions, such as learning and problem-solving. Think of systems like virtual assistants, predictive algorithms, or sophisticated programs capable of defeating human champions in games like chess and Go. Impressive? Absolutely. Yet, are these examples a harbinger of AI dominance? Not quite. First, let's address the most prevalent myth: the fear of AI surpassing human intelligence to the extent that it can't be controlled. This worry stems from the notion of artificial general intelligence, or AGI, where AI achieves human-like cognitive capabilities with autonomy and potentially its own agenda. In reality, we are far from developing such systems. Most current AI operates under a narrow scope, excelling in specific tasks like language processing, facial recognition, or data analysis. They do not possess consciousness, self-awareness, or emotions. They follow programmed instructions, learning from data patterns, but lacking independent reasoning. However, that doesn't mean AI poses no risks. The real dangers of AI, at least at present, are more nuanced and immediate. Consider biases in AI algorithms. These systems learn from data created by humans, which can encode prejudices and lead to discriminatory practices if unchecked. Moreover, there's the challenge of data privacy people face, as AI systems increasingly process massive amounts of information. The prospect of unemployment is another significant concern. Automation enabled by AI could disrupt labor markets, replacing certain jobs, though it also creates opportunities for new types of employment. The transition poses immense socio-economic challenges that need careful management. Let's not forget about the potential for malicious use. As AI technology becomes more sophisticated, the risk of it being harnessed for harmful activities, like deepfakes or cyber attacks, also escalates. In response to these risks, there has been considerable effort to establish safety measures and ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment. Leading technology firms and governments are actively engaged in ensuring AI remains beneficial rather than harmful. Key measures include the development of robust AI that can operate transparently, and the introduction of frameworks like the European Union's General Data Protection Regulation, which aims to protect personal data. Additionally, interdisciplinary collaborations between technologists, ethicists, and policymakers are crucial in shaping AI governance. Organizations like the Partnership on AI strive to formulate best practices that encompass ethical considerations and human-centric principles. AI's advancement has indeed been remarkable. From defeating world champions at strategic games to assisting in medical diagnostics, we continue to explore its potential in diverse arenas. Whether in automating mundane tasks or helping fight climate change, AI's contributions are numerous. However, imagining AI taking over the world in a domineering sense remains firmly within the realm of fiction, for now. Instead, the focus should be on nurturing a collaborative relationship with AI technology, maximizing benefits while minimizing risks. Public awareness, education, and responsible innovation are therefore pivotal. As we stand at the frontier of AI advancement, envisioning its future requires balanced perspectives. Through open dialogue and proactive engagement, we can harness AI's strengths while safeguarding humanity's best interests. Let us steer clear of the tantalizing myths, focusing instead on building a future where human ingenuity and technological progress flourish side by side. In closing, artificial intelligence has come far, but not to the point of global dominance as seen in apocalyptic stories. By addressing its risks head-on and adopting safety measures, we can ensure AI becomes an invaluable ally rather than a threat. As with any powerful tool, the responsibility lies with us, to guide its development with vigilance, wisdom, and foresight.